just taking this GoPro from a charger, battery charger, and trying to turn it on, and nothing is happening. By the way, this is like 2 months old unit. Yeah, still the protection foil on it. Yeah, very disappointing. Very disappointing. So battery is fully charged. The unit just won't go on. So I probably need to take the battery out. Like this. Put it back in. And now it works. So the battery is on. Battery is full. Right? 85%. Okay, anyway, but this is a little bit weird. I don't think this should work like this. Camera has no damage, nothing, never been dropped. It's just missed functioning.